Hi there, my name is Alan Kelvin, and today I would like to talk to you a little bit about how to find rosters or do some searches. You have certain filters that you can select through and then see different kinds of level of members within the organization. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into eScribe so you can take a look on how to do that. So to accomplish what we were talking about and search for different kind of members, if you go to the left menu here, you find the members menu. When you click on that, you'll have a couple of options. Depending on your access level or your position, you'll see different submenus here. I'm going to click on edit menus, which will edit members, which will show me more comprehensive list of information. And this is an upper level. The only difference from me and the others is that I can select the jurisdictions, but I'm going to type, search for a type of member, and then that type of member will have two types. One will be the advisor active, and I'm searching for advisors here, or advisors inactive, and that will be one of the options on the drop down. The difference between both of them is that all the actives are the advisors are actually enrolled for the current year, and all advisors is regardless of their registration status, you can have them there. That way you can reach out or you can search for that member and find information on them. So after that is selected, in my case, I'm going to select here DeMolay International at large. But if you're an executive officer, that will be selected to your own jurisdiction. I'm going to hit search to start the search, and that will show a roster for me of actual advisors that are registered under DeMolay International. Now, one last thing before we finish with this demonstration here is that your page selection, you can go one by one, or what you can do is just select here the number 2, and you're not going to be able to see it right now on the screen sharing, but it will drop down to the number of pages. So here it says 2 of 3. Let me go back to 1. I'll click here. It will show a drop down, and I'll select 3, and it'll go directly to page 3 instead of having to click back and forth. This will be good, especially if you have lots of pages and you don't want to go through them. So this is how you do this search for member. You can play around with the filters in there. You can select different kinds of honors. You can have different kind of rosters, members, their status, their degrees, so on and so forth. So that will be useful if you're just trying to select people and see who they are depending on their classification without having to download the report and then have to sort that through. Hope that has been helpful for you. And if you have any questions, any comments, please open up a support ticket, or you can contact the office by email or calling us. Thank you so very much. Bye now.